Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz CLA 45 AMG. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 375 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque. For wheels, they've got 19-inch cross-spoked alloy 19-inch wheels, red AMG calipers, turbo 4MATIC badging on the side. Interior package with black leather interior, multi-color ambient lighting, aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG CLA 45 badging. Open up the liftgate, we've got a clean set of AMG floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, multimedia package with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving modes. We've got individual, comfort, sports, and sports plus. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA 45 has 12,446 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 45 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.